Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to turn on or turn off camera watermark on your XIAOMI 15T. Okay, so that's pretty simple to do. All you're gonna do is access the camera settings menu. So let's open camera application, and then in the top section of your screen you have to find this arrow icon that looks like this, and from here find watermark section. Do not worry if you don't see it here. In this case you should go to settings, and from here access watermark section, and here next to option show watermark stitch, if you want to have a watermark on your photos, you have to enable this function, and also you can customize it right here. And if not, if you don't want that, you should disable it. And also if not in the settings, you should also select off or on, if you want to see your watermark on your photos. And also from here you can select it, and also you can add it, which redirects you basically to settings. So yeah, that's very easy as I said, and I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.